Yep, sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah, bafethu. There are people who say Evidence Makgopa is the best striker in South Africa. Angiphikisani nabo ne. Fine. Mina, according to me, the best striker in South Africa is Ikram Reyners. Even ama-stats or Ikram Reyners, they are showing exactly what I'm saying. But because kunomuntu one-power in football yase-South Africa will influence ama-coaches weBafana Bafana to not pick u-Ikram Reyners but to pick u-Evidence Makgopa. Mina personal, I don't think Hugo Broos is the one who's selecting ama-player ku-national team. Remember, i-assistant Hugo Broos is Helman Mkhelele. That's why most ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs, you will never see ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs kuBafana Bafana. You know why? There is Helman Mkhelele that is an Orlando Pirates what? Legend. Obvious. He can't opt for Kaizer Chiefs players or Sundowns players. For ukuthi iBafana Bafana iselect ama-player we-Sundowns, they are forced. Akusiyinto bebayifuna abo-Hugo Broos nabo-Helman Mkhelele. Go and check the time kusacoacha ubani uRulani Mkwena. UHugo Broos makacala as a head coach eBafana Bafana bengawafuni ama-player we-Sundowns. Ubani umtshele njalo? There is no way ukuthi ufike ekhantrini usafika sowuzonda abanye abantu. Kunomuntu okutshelile ukuthi hayi laba bayabheda laba abantu abaso yabo. All of a sudden they saw ukuthi iplan yabo ayisebenzi. They were forced ukuthi balande ama-player we-Sundowns azoqualifya for i-World Cup, for ama-AFCON. After qualifying for those things, they removed them babuyisela ama-player we-Pirates. It will happen ku-World Cup, you will see. Majority of the players that are going to be selected ama-player we-Pirates or players who were playing for Orlando Pirates and they were sold to overseas teams. It's been like that. And only to find out ukuthi masiya World Cup, lama-player they are not good enough. They are failing. Makgopa no Foster, they failed to score 3 goals by 2 ku-AFCON. Just imagine. Suka.